Hello and welcome to Perfect Attire. We are a bespoke tailoring house specializing in men's sartorial apparel like tailored suits, shirts, trousers and waistcoats. My name is Tulsi and I am the co-founder and chief designer of Perfect Attire. We are established in Singapore and have been top bespoke ateliers for over several years. In this short video, I'll briefly explain about the process by which we serve our clients who are residing outside of Singapore. A well-crafted garment is a combination of three essential elements: fabric, design and construction, and fit. As for fabrics, we are premier partners with major luxury mills such as BBC, Drago, Ariston, Zegna, Holland and Sherry. We have over 1,000 fabric swatches in the format of books that you could select from. Our forte is handmade. From pad stitching the lapel and the buttonholes, most of the activities are done by hand, the traditional way. The third aspect is the fit. We have two-step process for getting the fit right. You will receive a set of test garments and be able to give feedback before cutting the actual cloth. This eliminates the necessity of alterations, returns and other fit issues. We hope this video has given you an overview of our process. We suggest you follow us on Instagram, where we post updates every day on the latest commissions and designs. When ready, please click on the schedule appointment button and book a virtual appointment with us. We look forward to craft impeccable garments for you. Thank you for your time.